Creating a barrel ceiling in Envisioneer can be achieved by using the arched option once a gable cathedral ceiling has been created. In our example, an 18-foot by 36-foot structure with a barrel roof has already been created. The front and back of the designs are set to be gables, and we want the ceiling to follow the shape of the roof. Let's insert a ceiling into our design by using the Insert Ceilings option. You can go up and select Insert Ceilings and select Ceiling by Perimeter, or you can select underneath the Building tab, use the drop down beside the Ceilings button and select Ceiling by Perimeter. We're going to use the 1/2-inch drywall ceiling, and we're going to left click right in the middle of our design. As you can see, an orange dotted line has been inserted, and this is representing where our ceiling has been inserted. We're going to left click on the ceiling, and this is going to bring up the green highlight that lets us know that the ceiling has been selected. Also in the lower left hand corner, you can see that it is also the primary selected element. We're going to right click and we're going to go into its properties. We're going to simply change this to be a cathedral, and then we're going to press OK. This will convert our ceiling to a cathedral. We now need to adjust the top and bottom edge of our ceiling to be a gable end. So we're going to left click on the arrows to represent the back and the front edge, and then we're going to right click and we go Properties. We're going to get rid of the skirting width. We do not want a skirting width on our design, so we're going to make sure that that is set to 0. And then underneath the edge shape, we're going to change that from straight to gable. This is going to create a gable end on our ceiling. And we're going to say OK. So that has now removed the skirting and it's also created our gable ends. Our ceiling is still selected, so we're now going to adjust the left and the right side to create the arch that we need. So I'm going to left click on both the left and the right side, but I also want to deselect any other arrows that are green that we do not want to edit. We're then going to right click and we're going to go to Properties. Under the Properties, we are again going to adjust the skirting width to be 0, and then we're going to adjust our edge shape to be arched. This will adjust the properties that we can now adjust for our arched ceiling. We're going to first start by adjusting the C start angle. We're going to set this to be 60 degrees. This is going to be 60 degrees as it's going to match what our roof was set to be. Next, we're going to adjust the F vertical distance. This value should be half of the radius of our design. Since we want our radius to be 9 feet, we are going to enter in a value of 4 foot 6 inches here. The next value we are going to adjust is going to be the radius. Now the radius is going to be half the width of our design. Since we know that the structure is 18 feet wide, we are going to set our radius to be 9 feet. Once I set the radius to be 9 feet, I want you to take notice that the end angle automatically updated and is set to be 0 degrees. We're done editing the ceiling, so we're going to simply select OK. And that's going to convert our ceiling to be a barrel ceiling. And we can go into a 3D view and we can see how that ceiling has taken shape inside of our design. We hope this tooltip helps you moving forward. If you like what we are creating, press the like button and be sure to subscribe for future videos. If you have any comments, please let us know below in the comment section. Thank you.